In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks tips. Learn how to add a tip section to invoices. If you want to give customers the option to leave a tip directly on their invoice, QuickBooks makes this very easy to set up. This can be especially helpful for service-based businesses that want a simple way to collect gratuities without creating extra steps during payment. The good news is that you only need to adjust one setting, and once it's turned on, the tip option can appear on your sales forms. To get started, log into QuickBooks and look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon there. Go ahead and click it. This menu gives you access to many of your company settings, including the options that control how your invoices and other sales forms behave. From the menu, click Account and Settings. This will open the main settings area for your QuickBooks account. If you don't see everything right away, give the page a moment to load fully so all options appear correctly. Once you're inside Account and Settings, go to the Sales section. This area contains the settings related to invoices, payments, and the information shown on your sales forms. If you're customizing the customer experience, this is usually one of the most important sections to know. Next, look for the Sales Form Content area. This is where QuickBooks lets you control what appears on your invoices and similar forms. Find the setting labeled Accept Tips. When you see it, toggle that switch to On. This tells QuickBooks that you want customers to have the ability to add a tip when they pay. After turning the setting on, click Save to apply the change. That's the final step. Once saved, your invoices can include a tip section, making it easier for customers to leave an additional amount when appropriate. If you don't see the change immediately, it can help to refresh the page or open a new invoice to confirm the setting has updated. It's also a good idea to review one of your invoices afterward so you can see how the tip option appears from the customer side. And that's all there is to it. With just a few clicks in your settings, you can enable tips on invoices and create a smoother payment experience for your customers.